Welcome to our channel. If you want to hide specific WhatsApp channels from your Updates tab without unfollowing them completely, follow these step-by-step instructions to customize your channel visibility. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and tap the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen to view your status updates and channels section. Step 2. Scroll down to the Channels section to see all the channels you're currently following or that appear in your Updates feed. Step 3. Find the specific channel you want to hide from your main feed. Tap and hold on the channel name or icon to bring up additional options. Step 4. Select Mute from the pop-up menu to stop receiving notifications from this channel while keeping it in your followed list for later access. Step 5. Choose the mute duration, selecting Always, if you want to permanently mute notifications from this channel without unfollowing it completely. Step 6. To further minimize visibility, go to WhatsApp settings by tapping the three dots in the top right corner of the main screen, then select Settings. Step 7. Navigate to Privacy Settings and look for options related to channel recommendations or channel visibility. Adjust these settings to reduce unwanted channel suggestions. Step 8. If you want to completely remove a channel from your view, return to the Channels section. Tap the three-dot menu next to the channel and select Unfollow to remove it entirely from your updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.